Hello everyone, welcome to Maak channel. Today we want to draw a farm full of animals and trees. Let's start drawing. We start by painting the stable.
The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
A wooden fence next to the farm.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
We draw a fruit tree.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes
The sun is slowly rising.
The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog.
We draw a sheep here.
Takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse.
A fat and strong cow.
The dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese.
We also have a playful goat here.
The cheese stands alone.
Well, we complete the fences on the side of the farm. Here we have agricultural land. We also paint a little grass to make our painting more beautiful. At the end, we draw two clouds in the sky. Well, let's go to coloring. This beautiful painting with your favorite colors. What a beautiful animal! becoming so beautiful. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.